this, but there, I guess someone walked underneath the train. Right there. I just turned around back there. There was a, you see him right there. Again, looked like someone ran underneath the train for whatever reason. I don't know if you can see that or not. It looks like, I'll show it a little bit here when I switch cars. But it looks like someone went right underneath the train. And you see, here comes the ambulance. There's that fire truck. Fire truck. Saturday night. Unbelievable. Let's see. And that's not the first time that it happened either. Got in a lot of dumb people on there. Look at that. I don't know how many that is now, like 8. Look like someone was trying to beat the train or went underneath it. I mean, they're right underneath that train. I'll show you the tracks. I don't know. Looks like there might be a person underneath the train. I'm not sure till I get up closer here. There it is. Yeah, yep. A person underneath the train. They got someone on a stretcher. I don't know if you can see that. Right underneath the tracks. Back. There's a car underneath the tracks. The train. A red car right there. So, idiot was trying to do something. Look at my mirror there. Let me put this down so you can see better. Take this off. That car right there is right up underneath the train. I don't know what the